Major crops. Major crops that are cultivated in India are rice, wheat, millets like jowar, bajra, ragi, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton, jute, etc. So, talking about the first crop, that is rice. It is the major crop of India, and maximum area in India is under the cultivation of rice. Actually, rice is the major crop of the world. So, even in the world, it is the first crop. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. India is the second largest producer of rice after China. It is a kind of kharif crop, and the requirement of the temperature is nearly 25 degrees Celsius. Generally, most of the crops are cultivated between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, that is the ideal temperature conditions that is required. In case of rice, the temperature is little more, so it is given about 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity. Generally, it is grown in high rainfall areas. Rainfall must be 100 centimeter. It is more than 100 centimeter. In areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. The major rice producing states in India are as West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab. All the states in India produce rice. This doesn't mean that other states don't grow rice. All the states in India produce rice. Next is wheat. This is the second most important cereal crop, and in the world we rank second after USA. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This is cultivated as rabi crop. Rainfall is low and it can be cultivated within 50 to 75 centimeter. Since it is cultivated in winter season, so Punjab and Haryana, these states are lucky. There is light shower in winter season. In a year, they get 5 to 6 decent shower of rainfall because of temperate cyclone originated in Mediterranean Sea, and they bring rainfall here, and that much is enough for the cultivation of wheat. So annual rainfall required is 50 to 75 centimeter. The major wheat producing areas in India are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and you can also see the patches in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Uttar Pradesh is the leading state in the production, and as per hectare percentage, Punjab is the leading state. Next we come to millets. What are millets? Millets, jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. These are known as coarse grains. They can be cultivated even in areas of low fertility soil and low rainfall, about 50 to 60 centimeter of rainfall. and when it is properly distributed. They have very high nutritional value. This is the very good thing. When we eat rice and wheat, we take only carbohydrate and it converts into sugar. But it is different with ragi, jowar and bajra. Talking of jowar, it is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is cultivated as a kharif crop. Actually, when it comes to southern part, especially Maharashtra, it is cultivated throughout the year. Because as I said that there is nothing called rabi crop. Winter is mild. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation. And we know that when it comes to major parts of Maharashtra, they receive low rainfall. Major jowar producing states are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, etc. Next is bajra and ragi. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Haryana, Gujarat. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. This is found in southern part of India. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, nutrients and roughage. Major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand. Next we come to maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop. Required temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil that is found in northern plains. So, North Indian plains is one of the most suitable ground for the cultivation of maize and it is grown all over India. Major maize producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Next we come to pulses. Pulses are very rich in protein. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. Major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. As when we eat rice and wheat, we take carbs only, but we eat pulses for the requirement of protein. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. They need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. If we cultivate, this is leguminous crops, fix nitrogen from air except arhar. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. If we cultivate cotton, it takes away nitrogen from the soil. So, we must cultivate pulses. The reason is that they add nitrogen to the soil. In this way, the soil fertility is maintained. Madhya Pradesh is the leading state in the production of pulses. And the major states are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Some pulses are soybean, black gram, arhar, that is associated with kharif crops. Green gram is associated with rabi and kharif crop. Next is sugarcane. Our next crop is sugarcane. What is the lifespan of the sugarcane? For a sugarcane crop to completely grow it takes one whole year. Sometimes it is harvested even within 10 to 11 months, but nearly 1 year. From sugarcane, India utilizes it for making jaggery or khansari and sugar. So it is produced on a large scale in our country. Now, which country ranks first in the world in sugarcane produce? The country is Brazil. Nearly half of the sugarcane that is produced in the world comes from Brazil, and nearly 25% of production is from India. So, India is second and Brazil is first. For sugar, India uses sugarcane, but it is not necessary that all the country use sugarcane. China makes sugar from sugar beet. It's a plant whose root contains high concentration of sucrose. And if we take Arab countries, there are dates grows in plenty. Even dates have the sweetness that can be utilized for making sugar. So sugar can be used for anything that is needed for sweetness. Now taking about India. In India, sugarcane is grown as tropical and subtropical crop. It means that the southern half of India is tropical and the northern part is subtropical. So, most of the states in India cultivate sugarcane. It grows well in hot and humid climate temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and annual rainfall is 100 centimeter. Irrigation required region of low rainfall. That is why it is cultivated in Maharashtra. If we take Deccan Plateau region in Maharashtra, it is not a very heavy rainfall area, but Maharashtra grows sugarcane on a very large scale. The reason is the soil, climate and irrigation. Now this crop requires manual labors because everything is done manually from sowing to harvesting. India is second largest producer after Brazil and main source of sugar, gur, jaggery, khansari and molasses. Molasses is a thick dark brown liquid that is used for in bakery, and that is a sweetener, and it is also used in making rum. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Uttar Pradesh is leading state. In northern states Punjab, Haryana, Bihar and West Bengal. All these states cultivate sugarcane